Hi, welcome back again. Now, we've gone for another challenge. The previous one was a bit too close to call, I think. So, we've got a pair of Glock 17s with pellets, and we've got some drinks cans on bales. We've got 4 cans each. Now, what we do need to do, Devon is on the camera, so we need Devon to say go, and at that point we will both go for our pistols, load up and shoot, and it's the first one to knock them all down, basically.
Premise is simple. Let's get on with it.
So, whenever you're ready.
Ready, go.
Bang on 8 shots.
Lawrence is the winner.